Shucks, nakakuha naman ako ng mataas na score. Pero bakit hindi pa rin enough?
Uy, napatingin naman ang score mo. Oo, taas.
Yung baba ko sa
Paano mo nakuha yan? Wala, swertehan lang to. Ang baba nga. Ilan ba nakuha niyo?
Yung mababa daw 42.
Oo, 42.
Pamasayang sa
Tama, okay.
Gayahin mo yung anak ng kumpare ko. Consistent din, mister.
Mataas naman kahit may mga mali. Pero bakit hindi pa rin ako satisfied? Bakit parang hindi pa rin enough?
Morning, ma'am. Morning. Diretso ko lang mo yung mga kapasok na yung abo dito sa decimal. Di ba hindi nila nag-is yung solving eh, para inaan ko sila kanina. Sige po. Sige. Noted po. Thank you.
Paano gawin itong numbers? Ito parang ito. I-divide mo lang siya dito para makuha mo yung sagot. Ganun lang siya, madali lang.
E paano naman yung dito sa number 8?
Ganun lang din. Parang kailangan mo lang may ito times ka lang din dyan tapos makukuha mo na rin yung sagot. Okay, get
Thank you. Thank you.
While I was walking home, I realized that I am quick to see my mistakes, but slow to accept the things I did right. And while I will repeatedly put myself down, there were people who saw my greatness, which even I could not see. That's when I understood that I look at myself full of doubt, while others look at me full of admiration and trust. And for the first time, I chose to listen to them. Maybe they are right, that even if I'm not perfect, being enough is enough.